So in this video, we are talking about regular expression. Regular expression can be used to specify a string that here we specify a pattern. This pattern can be used to search for and replace text in other strings. So for example, we can use regular expression to validate the email address, to perform text processing, information retrieval, and data cleaning. The general rules of matching is we match the most number of characters possible. This is called a greedy algorithm. So this is a page that gives us rules to do the matching. That is, a dot can match any single character, and the brackets can match one character specified inside, and etc. And this page gives us rules to how to gives us more flexible rules to do regular expression. Like if we have this asterisks, we can match regular expressions are 0 or more times. So this page talks about the grouping. That is, if we use parentheses, we can get groups when we find the matched string. For example, we can, if we specify name here, then we can get the group. We can specify the group by its name. Then this page gives us how to match special characters, like how to match tab, how to match new line. So here we have an example. So how to match the IP address. The IP address is a sequence of 4 numbers between 0 and 255. So, for example, this string, this sequence is the IP address. So how to match that? If we don't specify the number between 0 and 255, then we can have this expression here. That is, we have this block we match 3 times. So this can be matched. This part can be matched by this pattern. Then we still need one last number with this dot. So we have this. So how do we specify the number between 0 and 255? So it's a little bit complicated. We have several cases. One is we start from 25. So we need the last digit should be smaller than 5. If we start from 2, then it can be 4 and 9. Between the second number can be between 0 and 4. The third can be between 0 and 9. If we have 3 digits, if the first digit starts from 0 or 1, then the last 2 can be between 0 and 9. So this pattern repeated 3 times. Then we have the last block to match the last part of this IP address. Okay, so and the regular expression can also be used to compile. We can use the regular expression module to compile a pattern object. Then this object can be used to do other things, to perform other operation. Like we can, when we have this pattern, the object, we can find if this to the string that the input string is matched by this pattern, or we can use the pattern to find the match pattern inside the string, or we can split the string by the regular expression. Like here we have A, B, this string. That if we specify the separator as this, then we can separate this string to get this A, B, and C. And also we can replace pattern by the regular expression. Like here we have this string that if we specify the regular expression as a substitution, then we can substitute this string to get this another string. So they are all very useful and handy. Okay, so that's all. This is a video we're talking about the regular expression.